Hey, this is Christian, and today marks the first day where I will be solving these algorithm problems using Python. I'm actually really nervous. Um, Before I hopped onto the video, I convinced myself, I told myself that, you know what, I haven't fully learned Java yet. I mean, sorry, I haven't fully learned Python yet. So I'm just going to keep using Java until I feel comfortable with Python, which is a terrible mentality. The only way I'm going to get good at Python is if I practice. And what better time to practice when I'm doing my algorithm problems? I think I've been using Python 3, I think. Oh my gosh. um, I'm kind of nervous, to be honest. I don't even... Okay, this is our method. And this is our main method, okay. I got scared for a second, I'm not gonna lie. This looks a lot simpler than what they used to do for Java. Cool. So let's go over the problem. Oh, we're good. I thought the camera was out of sync. So essentially we're gonna, a Tom and Jerry cat and mouse problem. They're gonna give us the cat A's position and cat B's position and then the mouse's position. We want to print which cat gets there first. If they both get there at the same time, then the mouse escapes. So we print cat A, like cat A gets there, cat B, and then mouse C if the two cats get there at the same time. So what I'm thinking is we'll have an equation and then set them equal to each other, and if the points at which they intersect, or if the position of x when they get to when the two lines intersect, and if that x value equals to the mouse C's location, then we print mouse C. In other situations, we'll want to find when they intersect either way, and because that means that one cat is gonna pass the other, and if the one with the higher starting position I have an idea. Okay. I don't know how to explain it. The one with the higher starting position will... The one that starts farther ahead, there we go. If the x value where they intersect, they get there before, then we'll print that cat value. I know that doesn't really make sense. I'm having a hard time explaining it. But it'll be easier to explain once I get to the code. Okay, so these are input values. We'll be getting the number of queries. How do we know the speed at which she's going at, though? That's what I don't understand. To get to the mouse, the cats travel at equal speed. Okay. Essentially, we're just incrementing by 1. That's what I understand. Yeah, since we're moving at equal speed, then I guess we could standardize it and set it to 1. Okay. Not bad. Alright, so now it's going to be very difficult. I'm actually really nervous. Okay, so I have a cheat sheet right here, so you're going to see me looking to the right, but I need to remember how to use most of this stuff. So So we're receiving the input as, what are the parentheses? Those are, we're using tuples. I guess that's fine since we're not going to modify it. Oh, it's a string. String, and they're casting it to int. Okay, yeah, because then we're passing. Oh god. Okay, input, boom. Okay, for int. Okay, now I get it. Yeah, so this is entering. The first number is the number of queries. So queries. So yeah, that's the number of situations it's gonna do. So we'll print out a bunch of different scenarios. Yeah, so we have to. It's gonna be a void method. So how did they? I mean, we don't assign return data types to Python functions. This is all really weird, to be honest. Okay, let's do this. So don't get too caught up in the way you're gonna program it or in the language you're programming. Just focus on the concepts. Alright, so we'll do our classic setup. We're gonna have a variable for the location at which cat A and B intersect. And then we'll have another we don't need an iterator, which is kind of nice because I'm kind of nervous about using iterators right now. So here we'll have if the cat's intersection point equals to the mouse's position, then we'll do mouse C. I guess not like that. Yeah, that's fine. Well, let's be more descriptive. Mouse escapes. Okay, so hashtag. Hashtag. Okay. Else print cat A or B. Okay. So we'll have a variable for the location, which we will establish. I think it's int cat point of intersection. We'll put -1 for now. I guess we're using coordinates, so that is possible, but let's look at the ranges of the input values. Yeah, see. So in this situation, it's not possible. In this perfectly calculated situation. Okay, so we'll start at -1. So then we'll write our if statement. What would happen? Did I write the variable wrong? I don't think so. Oh, okay. No, that's fine, right? I'm nervous about these. Oh, I don't have to put int. That's so weird. Oh my goodness, dude. Is it equals or colon? No, that should be fine. This is really weird. Okay. I'm really glad I'm doing this though. I'm already learning a lot. So we go if. First we have to calculate their point of intersection. So wait, do they have a point of intersection? If they're moving at the same rate and they start at different locations, so the only times they'll, yeah, the only times they'll intersect is the only times they'll intersect is when they start at the same position. Cat is at position 2 and cat B is at position 5. If mouse C is at position 4, it's 2 units from cat A. Oh, okay. It's a little bit different than what I was thinking. And it's 1 unit. Okay, so if it's greater than the position of the mouse, then it'll be going negative. And then if it's less than the position of the mouse, then it's going to be going positive. So the best way to do this is to subtract the value of y, or the position of cat A or B, from the position of the mouse. And if the difference is equal, then they'll fight with each other, meaning they'll get there at the same time. If the difference, we'll print the cat A or cat B whose difference is the least, who has the least difference. There we go. So that's what we want to be looking for. Alright, got it. That's a lot simpler than what I was thinking. I actually purposely chose a really easy question. Yeah, I skipped around, because the one we were supposed to do today had like an 89% success rate, which, I mean, considering is really high still, but I didn't feel comfortable, especially on camera, solving a problem like that, since I was spending most of the time remembering how to use Python. Okay, so if, well, no, we need to calculate the cat distance. We'll put cat A. Okay. Another thing about Python is they want you to use underscores. Cat A distance from mouse. I don't know if yeah, I think it's supposed to be all lowercase. And we'll change this to B. It's honestly a little bit easier to read when you write variables like this. It's better than the, what's it called? Case format, or God, I forget what it's called. But when the way I was writing it, where each new word is not space separated, but you just capitalize it. Case form? I don't know. So this is gonna be Z. I hate these variable names. Position of mouse Well, no, we don't have to put of. Mouse A. And we'll copy this. That's not mouse A. It's cat A. Sorry. Okay. Changes to B. And this is going to be mouse C. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Cat A, distance from mouse, so it's going to be position of cat A minus the position of mouse C. Also, I was hearing when I click on my touchpad, it's pretty loud. I didn't realize how loud it was until I started recording. Okay, so this is gonna be B. Wonder if there's an absolute value. So I'm gonna test this out. Check it. Print. Print. Is it def of int? I think that might work. So this is supposed to, I wrote this down. I don't know if it's supposed to be, I think it might be help. Okay, it's helper. It's not def, it's directory, I think is what it stands for. Okay, so how do we get this to work? We'll do custom, and then we'll do 1. Then we'll do 1, 2, 3. I really just want to see the print directory. So we had no response. What if we just put return 1? No, because we're not even supposed to return. Okay. Anyways, I'm pretty sure there's got to be an absolute method within this. So we'll just do. I'm pretty sure I'll just go like this: apps. Check it. It turned blue. Oh no, maybe it thinks it's a method. Yeah. See. Okay. So this way we don't have to worry about working with negatives. Shouldn't cat A. Cat A distance from math. I didn't know this was here. This is new? I don't know. Okay, so if, sorry. Okay, so we'll do, oh my gosh, dude. Oops. There we go. Do it like this. And then we'll go print. Oh, there's no parentheses, huh? This is so strange. Okay. We'll print We're supposed to put a colon after this? Oh, we are. Okay, so print. So if cat A's distance from the mouse is greater than cat B, we want to print cat B. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing except opposite. I wonder what the proper way to do this is. Is it okay to just switch the operand? Or does does the greater than need to be on does the greater value need to be on the left at all times, you know? I wonder what's easier to read. Write that down. Put check operand value order format. And I'll put greater less or less greater. And then a question mark. Okay. So we'll print cat B in this situation since cat B is closer to the mouse. Sorry, cat A. And then else, if both of these are not what's gonna happen, then else we'll print mouse C. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So I guess let's run it. I don't need this. Honestly, I think writing that int in there probably messed it up. Okay. So this is very clear, very straightforward. Cat A distance from mouse. Is the position of cat A minus the position of mouse C. Yeah. Oops. What happened? Oh, I'm supposed to put colons. I'm sorry. Did I put L? Oops. Did else colon? Okay. Alright, I have no idea what any of this means. Unexpected error. Most recent call. Last. Line 40. So something's going on here. Yeah, we're casting these to ints, so we don't need to convert them. XYZ. Oops. Sorry. Is there a way to end a method? Is that, or are we missing something? No. It just ends. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything out of the ordinary. Cat and mouse. I also don't like this name. cat catches mouse. It's because of the abs? No, it was showing me abs. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, math.abs. If I do that. How come it's showing me stuff earlier? Is that not the way you print? Oh, so we are supposed to return it in. Okay, so we're not printing from here. Return cat A. There we go. Okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, I was kind of doubting my Python skills right there. I thought I was gonna have to go back and rewatch all the rewatch the tutorials I had already done. Okay, so this should be fine. We're close. Cat B, mouse C. Okay. So I might have gotten these backwards. Yeah, they are. Yeah, because we want to return the value that's less. So this one, the distance from cat B to mouse C is less than the distance from cat A. So we want to return cat B. Should be good. Dude, too easy. Is there a way we can simplify this? No, this is fine. It's a pretty simple program. That's it, looks good. Did I submit it? Oh yeah, that's it. We earned our 3rd star. And my camera is lagging. Let's see if it'll catch up. Oh, it's back. Alright, that was it. I'm surprised there was only 2 test cases. It's kind of strange. But, yeah, we did it. Alright, so that was the first algorithm problem I've solved using Python. I did feel quite a bit of resistance, like I said in the beginning. Going into this vid, I was very nervous. I wanted to default to Java till I felt more comfortable, which who knows how long that would have taken. That one actually wasn't that bad. I was able to figure out everything pretty quickly. There's a few differences in syntax, and honestly this main method kind of scared me because I had never seen it before, but now that I looked at it, now that I went through it, I feel a lot more comfortable, and I'm building that reference experience that, you know, I can program in Python. I've gotten my first algorithm problem to compile, and I succeeded as well. I'm really glad I chose an easy one, or else I would have struggled a lot more, but you know, it was good first practice. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Catch you later.